Nose. Wow, look at that big lizard. That's a big lizard. This is without their motor. They're going.
I'm gonna talk.
How late did you stay up last night?
Here. You right here.
12? We were in bed early. Oh, like here? On the other side of you?
No, that way.
Oh, this way. Shh. Here.
Talk to him.
Okay.
Talk to him.
Oh, do you have to fix that? The
Peter,
rudder?
say
You want to
hi.
fix the rudder?
Say hi.
Airplane.
Oh, okay.
Airplane is broke.
Oh, I didn't know that. Well, don't trip and fall.
Oh, they're talking, huh? You hear Colton talking?
That airplane's
Can you
slow.
talk to Colton?
What's wrong with it?
Oh my goodness.
Is it fixed now? I remember when you would stand up and your feet would barely make you tall enough. Oh, is that for me now? Oh, am I still flying? Okay, here we go. Yeah. Okay, you gotta fix that one. Yeah.
Mine.
Yeah, fix yours. Yeah.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Is it fixed now?
No kiss, say mwah.
All right. Yeah. You can carry people. See the windows? Those are windows and doors. You can carry people.
Blow kiss. Mwah.